Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, I visited Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha, the believer's mother, while water was dripping from her hair. I submitted, you are observing what the people have done in connection with the caliphate, though I personally don't have any interest in caliphate. She said, go and meet the people as they are waiting for you, and I fear lest your absence from there should cause disharmony amongst them. So he had to go in compliance with her order. When the people scattered, Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu, delivering the sermon, said, whosoever aspires to become a caliph should speak before us, for we deserve it more than him, but even his father. Habib bin Maslama said, why did not you give him the reply? Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu said, I wished to give the answer and intended to say that he deserved caliphate more than you, who had fought against you and your father for the sake of Islam. But I then feared that it would harm the Muslims' unity and cause bloodshed. So I remained silent, thinking of the reward Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has prepared in paradise. Habib bin Maslama radiyallahu anhu said, you really saved the Muslims for a strife and bloodshed. There is now Sataha in place of Naswataha in the report which Mahmud has reported from Abdul Razzaq. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4108.